Hello good and lovely friends around the globe. How are you? I hope everyone happy, healthy and having good time. Today, we are going to unboxing wild animal toy and learn the name of the wild animals. So let's get started. Monkey. This is monkey. 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 This is monkey. Lion. This is lion. Lion. This is lion. This is lion. This is monkey. Monkey. This is monkey. Monkey. This is monkey. Wolf. This is wolf. Wolf. This is wolf. Wolf. This is wolf. Tiger. This is tiger. Tiger. This is tiger. Tiger. Pangolin. This is pangolin. Pangolin. This is pangolin. Pangolin. This is pangolin. Jaguar. This is jaguar. Jaguar. This is jaguar. Jaguar. Monkey. This is monkey. Monkey. This is monkey. Monkey. Lion. This is lion. Lion. This is lion. Wolf. This is wolf. Wolf. This is wolf. Wolf. This is wolf. Wolf. This is wolf. Pangolin. This is pangolin. 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 This is pangolin. Pangolin. This is pangolin. Monkey. This is monkey. Monkey. This is monkey. Jaguar. This is jaguar. Jaguar. This is jaguar. Jaguar. Thank you for watching. See you on the next webisode. Stay happy and healthy.